So this is my Android stereo for my Honda Jazz 2212, and it's from 𝘾𝙧𝙧 Android, and it has every feature which you need, like Google Maps, and then there's YouTube as well, Google Chrome as well, and Play Store, where you can download everything. And from Bluetooth you can connect your phone and then enjoy your music, or even you can call from it, as well as everything you need. You can enjoy your YouTube videos in HD quality. All you need to do is turn your hotspot, it gets connected automatically, and yeah, it's connected, and then you can play your YouTube in HD quality, which is actually I'm in my basement, so the internet connection is quite low, so you can listen to the music even in full screen. And so you can control from your this stereo controls the volume, and then you can next the song, and you can next the song, and when you turn on the lights, the backlights come on. So pretty much everything you need.